Wow. What was it?
Yes, sir. My honor.
Wow. Hey, you tell I hear about today.
Yes.
Happy birthday. No, okay, to make a merry gift birthday.
No, okay.
Oh, water.
Thank you for your birthday.
No, oh, thank you so much. Chai. Wow. Nothing yake. Oh, Chai, happy birthday to you.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Again, Tete. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Tap this man, I beg.
Yamreki jebe kabusu, Yamreki jebe kabusu. Eddie added one. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip hip. Hooray! Wow, happy birthday, my dear. My dear, I am so succumbed onto your birthday.
I'm so diabolical today, honestly.
I know. Congratulations. Thank you to our lovely sis. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Yes, here we are in Abia State.
Love you.
They are feeling that, and happily or luckily for her, the team fell and fall under the set of this Sahara production.
Directly
under the center of it. So today we are here to celebrate this old woman. She is olden by the day.
Oh, yes.
And
That's not true.
Oh, Jesus.
you would diabolical woman. You hear one name. All right, hip hip hip. Hip hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip hip.
Thank you.
Why me? What I beg you can grab him cake.
Oh, no.
All right. Thank you so much. Ma. Thank you. Congratulations.
All right.
Can I get a cake?
From who?
What did I need? You get a pet. You get a pet. You cannot do a lady
All right, thank you. This is us celebrating Maggie's birthday on set. As you can see, Prophet Pom Pom, Prophet Pom Pom, and the prophetess Zion.
Yeah.
All of us are happy. We all are in happy mood. Otontos. All right, we are celebrating Maggie's birthday today. So if you are a lover of Imo Comedy, or if you're one of our crew, or wherever you found yourself and you love what we're doing, please help us and wish Maggie a happy birthday, because it's not easy to be alive. We want whoever that is alive should thank God. Today we are happy that she's living. We are happy that God has added one more beautiful year to her years. So today we celebrate this wonderful woman. She's a woman of God, a virtuous woman, a woman with wrinkles, a woman with God's favor, a woman with syllabus into her heart, a woman with oh my God, I am short of words. So please, if you are happy with us, celebrate her. Today is her day. It's not easy to be alive, and when you find yourself living, you have every reason to thank God. Ezi Chineke dị mma, imela n'ụbọchị taa. Ezi Chineke dị mma, imela n'ụbọchị taa. Ewo, ezi Chineke dị mma, imela n'ụbọchị taa. Chineke n'ụbọchị taa. Papa na rekele, Maggie nọ na-ekele gị. imeela n'ụbọchị taa. Ọla na aja gị mma, imeela n'ụbọchị taa. Chief Imo nọ na-ebuli gị elu, imeela n'ụbọchị taa. Alex n'ụbọchị taa. Papa, thank you. Hip hip hip. Hooray!